We got some more snow coming. It already started. It's gonna be a big one. The Weather Channel is saying 6 to 10, so it could be quite a bit of snow. Luckily, it is lighter snow. It's colder, so it's not heavy wet stuff, so it makes it easier for plowing. But with that being said, it's not gonna be done anytime soon, so that means I've got time for some ice fishing. We're gonna be going to do that, get on some walleye hopefully. As you can see, we're snowing pretty good right now. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or if it's picking up, but it's snowing good, it's windy. We're gonna go get on some walleye and hopefully I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow morning when I get back in the plow truck. So we'll see you then. Good morning, guys. Hope everyone slept well. I know that I did not sleep very well. Just so excited to plow snow. No, I'm just having trouble sleeping lately. But anyways, 6:43 right now. As you can see there, it didn't really snow much overnight like they said it was going to, so we'll be able to get started earlier. Gonna go hook up the plow now and then probably just get started right away. Anyway, stick around and let's get into some pushing snow. All right, everyone, probably about 5 or 6 houses in on the route, waiting on a customer to move their cars. I usually don't let that happen, just being nice and the return customers, so gotta treat them right. But anyways, gonna keep chugging away at them and show you guys some more footage of the plowing. If you can see it, but that's a tractor there with the snowblower on the back, pulling it and blowing it into the yard. Might have to think about one of those in the future. Pretty sweet.
guys, almost pushed you down the hill.
All covered in snow for you guys. Check this out though, this is really pretty snow plowing right here. I'm not talking about my work, well that too, but this is just super pretty. These tall pines. Ski slope though. Glad the truck didn't get stuck or slide down into this big valley. Check that out, guys. A little death wobble from the snow that's in the side of the wheels, throwing the whole deal off balance, so gotta clean those out. Steering wheel shaking. You know how it goes. Just left Lake Elmo area, and now I'm headed to do a couple in Maplewood, and then I'm gonna hit that alleyway in North St. Paul on the way back to Montemedi, White Bear area. Thought I'd check in with you guys and let you know where I'm at, what I'm doing. Going on, guys? Still plowing. It's about 5:30 right now, 5:30 p.m. This last driveway, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a big island right in here, and really makes for a pain. Snow plowing, I have 3 driveways that have big islands that are just tight to get at and just not fun.